In this video, I will show you how to download Android Studio. Go to the official site, link in description. Download the Android Studio software. After download completes, open the app, drag, and drop it into the Applications folder. Now the Setup wizard opens, tap Next. Select Standard, then tap Next. Verify the settings, then tap Next. Accept the license agreement, then tap Next. Wait while the components download. Once finished, tap the Finish button. That's it. Now you can create a new project.